Hey guys, how are you all? So today I am going to talk on Limitless Glow Mask Review. So this topic is grabbing extreme attention, especially in the United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. So let's proceed further and know more about it. Also, friends, I would like to say that this product does not belong to us, and this unbiased review of the product will help you in deciding the answer of the question that should I buy this product or not. Also, friends, I would like to say that if you have any query regarding the return or the refund issues, you can click on our description area to get the links for your money back. So, let's get started and know more about this product. As you know that everybody desires the limitless glow on the skin. So, this is a multitasking mask to get that limitless glow on the skin. Now let's find out that how does it look. This mask is a custom designed mask and that is meant for JLO, and it is visibly tightened, and also it has two-piece mask deliver which has the properties of delivering deep hydration, luminous brightness, and also providing supernova level glow. They also have this icon which says buy now. Also, friends, on this website, there is a fine tutorial which mentions that how you can make use of this limitless glow mask. They have mentioned about its properties. You just need to tighten and then you need to plump, and then your skin is all set for radiation. Now, friends, you might be wondering that whether this product is a legit or a scam. So, we are going to look over its checkpoints and we are going to decide on the basis of all those legitimacy checkpoints that whether this product is a legit or a scam. So before that, I request you that do like this video, share and hit on the bell icon to subscribe our channel so that we can bring much more informative videos each day. So without delay, let's get started. As you know that this mask is a two-piece design wrap, and it is meant to be incredible sticking and also staying power, and the active ingredients in this mask helps in transferring to the skin and helps in penetrating deeply for its effective results. Now, friends, for all those who are wondering that what exactly is this mask, this custom design mask is infused with 1 ounce of that JLO glow in a multitasking serum, and it is then further formulated to visibly tighten and lift. Also, friends, they have also mentioned the procedure that how a person can use it and what all ingredients it has. Now, in key ingredients over here, they have mentioned like Japanese rice sake ferment, yeast derived ferment, sugar derived matrix, and also it's a good news that it is free from all the harmful chemicals, parabens, phthalators, mineral oil, dyes, and fragrance. So it is a natural made ingredient. So they have mentioned the ingredient list. So now let's check out its price. So, friends, they have mentioned that if you subscribe and save, then you are going to avail 15% off on the product, and it will be costed then $40.80. And if you just take a one-time purchase package, it will cost you $48. Also, they have mentioned a 60-day money back guarantee and exclusive sneak peeks and product offers, and also they have committed to give you extra savings. Now, if you want to check on the customer reviews of this product, friends, customer reviews of this product, of this mask, was try to search on various search engines, and I would say that it has quite a lot customer reviews. If you can see on the screen, they have around about 32 people who have given 5 stars. Then there are 5 people who have given 4 stars, and there are less people who are given below 3 stars. So overall, it has a good average customer ratings, and on other search engines as well, I have checked out. It has good traffic, and people are writing good things about this mask. That it is really effective, and I would say that they consist of 39 reviews altogether, and most of them are good and above the mark reviews. Also, friends, on the basis of quality, performance, and value, it has 5 star, and there is one person who's written great mask. I would just like to scroll some customer reviews for you. Then there is one another person, Danikat, who's given also 5 star. He says amazing product. Who wouldn't want the JLO glow? So, friends, on the basis of all the checkpoints and on the basis of customer reviews and the prices, I would claim this product quite effective and a legit one. And you can go for this product and you can surely buy this product. And friends, also, I would ask you that if you have any queries regarding return and the refund, you can click on our description area to get the links to get your money back. If you have any experience regarding this product, you can help us knowing it, and the viewers also would get to know more about it. So you can write those comments in the comment box, because we also keep on reading your comments each day. So friends, we are going to come up with the next informative video. So do like, share, and subscribe. And also, thank you very much.